Okay, guys, I wanted to show you this. I found it yesterday. This is from Earth Sky magazine. It says, Today in Science, the first photo from space. October 24th, 1946, 70 years ago, a movie camera aboard a V-2 rocket captured the first ever outer space photo of Earth. So here you go. I'm always frustrated by flat earthers that say there are no photos of the curvature and there are no photos from space, they're all CGI. Well, here's a photo taken from 1946. That's 70 years ago, clearly showing the edge of the Earth. If you can see this, you can see that this was from a rocket, a V-2 rocket launched at White Sands, New Mexico, which happens to be very close to where I live. The V-2 rocket was fitted with a 35 millimeter motion picture camera. So 35 millimeter camera to a suborbital altitude of 65 miles. It snapped a new frame every second and a half. So you can see there's a picture, a real picture from Earth or from space of the Earth. No possible way they could CGI that. Here's another photo taken in 1947 from White Sands Missile Range. This picture, same setup, was taken from 101 miles up. This dark area you see up here that's water is the Gulf of California. So I just wanted to show this to you guys because every day nearly we hear stories of there are no real pictures, they're all composite, they're all CGI and Photoshop. So I brought this to you today to show you with no doubts that here's the curvature showing how big the Earth is, and there's no question of it not being correct. So there you go, guys.